Hi there! Would you like to learn basic and complex dance steps used in Zumba classes or any other dance fitness programs? Have you gone to a dance fitness programs class and felt overwhelmed by the diversity of dancing steps and coordination demands? Have you thought of getting your dance steps knowledge a notch ahead? If so, this opportunity is for you. My name is Ariana Rodriguez. I'm a certified Zumba instructor. I offer both Zumba and Zumba Toning classes regularly in the city of Calgary where I live. To know more about my regular Zumba and Zumba Toning classes, please visit my Zumba webpage listed below. These classes that I'm now here advertising are not a regular Zumba class. I am offering a set of 5 unique classes that I call Tutorial Edition Dance Step classes, only on May 2018. The premiere will be in Calgary. Come and check it out. No previous knowledge of dance is needed, and all levels of fitness are welcome. During the first half of the class, you will learn basic and beyond basic combo steps and moves in a proper dance studio, from slow speed to gradually final speed. And I will personally give you tips and cues on what you personally need to learn and do in order to improve those steps and moves. For the second half of the class, you will be dancing through full songs with those steps and combos. Each class will focus on a genre or a flavor. For instance, salsa, reggaeton, a class for cumbia, a class for Indian dances, a class for African dances, and so on. These classes will be offered this year at Ballroom and Countrydance studio in Calgary. Please see the address below. Only during the 5 Thursdays of May in 2018. Classes are for an hour starting at 6:30 p.m. For information on drop-in fees and 5 classes package fees regarding this Tutorial Edition Dance Step classes, please contact me at arianarod13@shaw.ca. I so hope to see you there.